Hi everyone, apa kabar? It's me Zarina, as always, your friend from Malaysia. Have you practiced any Malay phrases recently? You should. This is to familiarize your mouth muscle with Malay pronunciation. Hard work bears fruits. Semoga berjaya. Good luck. Are you interested in speaking Malay colloquially? The easiest way is to get someone native to the language to assist you. If you are interested, you may contact me on Preply for an hour lesson to practice speaking Malay and to improve your pronunciation. All details are in the description box down below. Today we will learn about time. Since time is essence, we will jump to the topic immediately. In Malay, time is called as masa. There are many synonyms in Malay that signify time. Among them are waktu, ketika, detik, saat, jam, jangka waktu, jangka masa, zaman, tempoh, era, and many more. However, they are used differently in different contexts. If you are interested in more details, head over to Dewan Bahasa and Pustaka. There you can make a search of any Malay word in their dictionary. However, it is in Malay, and if you are at an advanced level, you are definitely recommended to do so. How to ask for time in Malay language? This is our main concern. First, you must know the numbers before we even start. If you haven't studied numbers in Malay language, head over to the lesson Numbers in Malay Language at the blog and the video as per link in the description box. Assuming that you already memorized the numbers in Malay, if you want to ask for time, what time is it? Pukul berapa? What time is it now? Pukul berapa sekarang? May I know what time is it? Boleh saya tahu pukul berapa? Do you know what time is it now? Awak tahu pukul berapa sekarang? Or, tahu tak pukul berapa sekarang? Which is more colloquial. To answer, you just add pukul plus number. Pukul means o'clock. For example, pukul 1, 1 o'clock. Pukul 2, 2 o'clock, and so on. If the time is number plus a quarter, suku means quarter. Pukul 1 suku, a quarter to 1, or 1:15, and so on. However, suku is not used for 3/4. For example, pukul 1:45, a quarter to 2, 1:45. Or colloquially we say, lagi 15 minit nak pukul 2, 1:45, or a quarter to 2. Lagi means another, 15 means 15, minute means minutes. We use minute in this case instead of minute, even if it implies singular instead of plural. Nak means 2. Nak literally means want. Pukul 2, 2 o'clock. If the time is number plus a half, setengah means half. Pukul 1:30, 1:30 o'clock, or 1:30, and so on. How to differentiate between AM or PM? It is closely related to the greetings lessons. If you have learned them, you won't find any difficulty here. Head over to the blog or watch the previous lessons in YouTube to learn about greetings in Malay language. Pagi is from 1 a.m. to 11 a.m. Tengah hari is from 12 noon to 1 p.m. Petang from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. Malam from 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. As a summary, let's look at the image of the watch above. There are 3 needles in the watch. The shortest needle implies the hour, which means jam. The longer one implies the minute, which means minute. And the longest implies the second, which means saat. The green striped area means a quarter, which means suku, and the blue striped area means a half, which means setengah. Well, today's lesson is up until here. If you want the extension of this lesson, please head over to Patreon to support my effort and get the extra notes, extra audio explanation, related idiom in Malay language with this lesson, and exercises to imprint this lesson into your memory. Do you find anything that you need to know more from the lesson? If you do, don't forget to check out the blog at ilearnmalay.blogspot.com for complete transcription of this lesson. You may download this lesson in PDF form of Lesson 13 and other previous episodes too by clicking Download PDF menu. Don't forget to leave comments, questions, or you may comment at the YouTube video of this lesson as well. Well, today's lesson ends here. I hope that this lesson helps. Sampai jumpa lagi.